Next na, DWH. Ay, si ano yan?
Sige na, okay.
George.
Okay na? Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Today, Camarines Sur 3rd Engineering District will be conducting the pre-bid conference for contract IDs number 24 FF0066 up to 24 FF0070. Before we proceed, may I request the Secretary to please do the roll call.
Good morning, sir. Our attendees for today's pre-bid conference are as follows. Engineer Eduardo A. Alejo,
Present.
Chairman. Mr. Giuseppe Camara, Vice Chairman. Engineer Ronel Jr.
Present.
Member. Engineer Cesar Moral Jr.
Present.
Member. Engineer Bernardita Dinalete, Member. Present. Ms. Marisa Naika Dichoso, Secretariat. Present. Elaine Digo, Secretariat. Engineer Winson Salcedo,
Present.
Engineer 2. Ms. Benny Sofia Lucero, Planning and Design Representative. Ms. Joanna Mare Lingaw, Architect 1 for Planning and Design Section. That's all.
How about you, sir? Do we know your name?
Ken Michael, Architect Michael.
Present. The technical personnel. Okay, thank you. It seems that there are no observers and no contractors representative. Anyway, all the back members are present. And I call this pre-bid conference into order. I'll now give the floor to our back secretary to read and discuss the agenda for today's pre-bid conference.
Our agenda for today are as follows, sir. First is the contact information. Second, the discussion of plans and specifications. Third, requirements of bidding documents. Fourth, documents to be submitted by the bidders. 5 is the criteria and procedure of the procurement process. And the last is other matters.
Okay, thank you. We now declare the agenda approved as read. I call on the back member to enumerate the basic contract data of the project and to be followed by the requirements of the bidding documents.
Mr. Chairperson, I would not discuss the bidding requirements anymore because those requirements are already stipulated in the Philippine bidding documents. May I suggest that prospective bidders should be the one to read those documents, either online or in hard copy. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Okay. May I now second the motion of the body? Okay. Since it has been agreed by majority, I mean by all the members, the request is approved. Continue now, we proceed to the technical, financial, and eligibility requirements. Our back secretary will be the one to read the requirements as well as the criteria and procedure for eligibility check, preliminary examination of bids, detailed evaluation of bids, post-qualification, and award. May I know, back secretary?
Mr. Chairperson, since the documents regarding the technical and financial components was already mentioned in the ITED, I will not elaborate further. However, I will continue to discuss the criteria and procedure for eligibility of bids, detailed evaluation of bids, post-qua, and award. For the documents to be submitted by the bidders, the technical proposal are the following: PICAP special JV license is applicable, bid security, authority of signing official, certificate of field jobs registration, organizational chart of the contract, contractors, certification on key personnel, list of completed projects, SFCC, and ongoing projects. Next is the list of major equipment and omnibus sworn statement required in RA 9184. For the financial proposal, the documents to be submitted are the audited financial statement, net financial contracting capacity, and next for the procedure and criteria, sir. First is the opening of preliminary examination of technical component of bids, eligibility check, preliminary examination of financial components of bids, evaluation of bids, which is the completeness of bids, arithmetical corrections, evaluation and equal footing, and rule in discrepancies. The next is the post-qualification and notice of award. For the rule in discrepancy, sir, bid prices in figure versus words prevail. Total price per item versus unit price prevails. Total price versus actual sum of component items, actual sum prevails, and the unit cost in detailed estimate versus unit cost in BOQ prevails. That's all, sir.
Okay,
May we
thank you.
give the floor, sir, to the member of the planning and design for the next
Okay, I wanted to discuss the further details regarding the technical, the specifications of the proposed project. I'll now give the floor to the technical person from the PDS.
Good morning po. I will discuss about the project construction completion of multipurpose building covered court with project ID 24FF0066 located at Binobong High School, Binobong, Pili, Camps. Appropriation 5 million, source of fund GAA CY 2024 with total project duration of 100 calendar days. For project description, construction of multipurpose building covered court with concrete columns and beams, slab on finished steel trusses, and pre-painted corrugated steel roofing and painting works, including PWH and CR. Dimension 12 by 12 meter with a total of 144 square meters. For scope of works, Part 2, other general requirements, Part 3, civil, mechanical, electrical, and sanitary plumbing works, Part 8, earthworks, Part B, plain and reinforced concrete works, Part C, finishing works, Part D, plumbing, sanitary works, Part E, electrical works. Summary of approved budget for the contract is total of 4,949,999 and 66 centavos.
Second.
Okay. What's the next project?
Good morning. I am here to discuss the project ID 24FF0067, the title Construction of Multiple-Purpose Building located at Lugsad Elementary School, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. With the project description of construction of multipurpose building covered court with foundation, columns, beams, slab on field, painting works, masonry trusses, corrugated roofing sheets, and finishing works with a dimension of 11 meters by 15 meters. With the description of works to be done, with other general requirements with a total direct cost of 417,837.84. Part 3, civil, mechanical, electrical, and sanitary plumbing works. Earthworks, with a total direct cost of 356,555.10. Plain and reinforced concrete works with 1,078,708.17. Finishing works of 1,809,345.24. Plumbing and sanitary works with 44,233.96. Electrical works of 151,545.81. With the approved budget for the contract of 4,824,993.48.
Next project.
I will be discussing 24FF0068. The name of the project is Concreting of Barangay Pawili FMR, Barangay Pawili, Pili, Camarines. The appropriation is 5 million pesos. The source of fund is FY 2024 DA FMR. Project duration is 45 calendar days. Scope of works is construction of concrete road. The approved budget for this contract is 4,974,838.06. The items of work under this contract is B5, project billboard / signboard, B7, occupational safety and health program, B8, traffic management, B9, mobilization, demobilization, B16, recognition plate, project marker. Under the earthworks, we have clearing and grabbing, unsuitable excavation, embankment from barrow, common soil, subgrade perforation, common material. Under sub-base and base courses, we have polymer stabilized sub-base slash base slash subsurface course. And we have surface courses with Portland cement concrete pavement, unreinforced 0.23 thickness and 14 days. Under drainage and slope protection structures, we have grouted riprap class A, and lastly, the miscellaneous structures, we have reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings, color white. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm here to discuss the proposed construction of multipurpose building with project ID 24FF0069, located at Mangayawan, Canaman, Camarines Sur. The project description is with concrete foundation, columns, beams, floor slab, roofing, plumbing works, electrical works, and finishing works. The project is 15 by 20 meters with 300 square meters. The appropriation is 5 million pesos. Source of fund, GAA 2024. The target start date upon approval and the total project duration is 120 calendar days. The approved summary budget for the contract 4,824,999.55 centavos, and the total estimated cost is 4,999,999.55 centavos. That's all.
Okay, thank you. Next contract.
The last contract.
For project construction of multipurpose facility located in Barangay Tabuco, Naga City, Camarines Sur, with project ID of 24FF0070, appropriation of 5 million, source of fund, GAA CY 2024. Total project duration is 120 calendar days. Project description, construction of multi-purpose facility, concrete column, beams and slabs, steel trusses and pre-painted corrugated steel roofing and painting works. Dimension of the covered court is 6.85 meter by 18 meter and the story building is 3.5 meter by 10 meter. Descriptions of works to be done. Part 1, other general requirements. Part 2, civil, mechanical, electrical, and sanitary plumbing works. Part A, earthworks. Part B, plain and reinforced concrete works. Part C, finishing works. Part D, plumbing and sanitary works. Part E, electrical works. And Part F, mechanical works. Summary of approved budget contract in total of 4,949,998.67 centavos, and for total estimated cost 4,999,998.67 centavos. That's all.
Okay, thank you, sir. Are there any questions, clarifications? Any concern? Yaja, what from the viewing public?
None po, sir.
Okay, thank you. Since there are no more concerns or questions, any move for the adjournment of these proceedings?
I move to adjourn the pre-week conference.
Second the motion.
That's been moved and seconded. I shall now declare these proceedings adjourned. And thank you, everyone. Good day.